So counting the cinder block on top, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 in both of the edges, and in between them it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the cinder block size in my place. It might vary on yours. Okay, this is how I designed the raised beds. I made a block. That's the minimum size, 64 inch by 64. 2 layers of block, and this thing can be stretched increments of 16 inches, and that's the same on elevation. It can be stretched, so all the sizes are here from 64 inch to 272 inch length. And as you can see, the number of blocks are here on each drawing with the soil volume. I'm gonna pass through all of them. You just pause if you wanna see them. I'm gonna try and post the one on the paper space so it will have the right line thickness. Okay. And it's gonna be like that. Yep, should have the right thickness. That's the first page, and this is the second page. The right thickness, but I'm going to try and post each one on the screen.